Hi everyone, hola hola, welcome back to my channel. I have a fun video today. I'm actually doing a follow-up on the device that I used in 2 videos ago, I think it was. I did say I was going to follow up and let you guys know more how I felt about it in another video with more use. So yes, here's the video, and I'm gonna do also a little skincare routine that I do like when I'm in a rush or before work. Basically a quick little routine that I think anyone can achieve. If you are looking for like a skincare routine that is easy, that you can do in just like 15 minutes, just right before you go in the shower or after the shower, you know, in the morning, right before work, school. I just felt like I needed a video like this on my channel, and it's something different, and I hope you guys like videos like this. So I'm basically going to be showing you a few products here and talking about the device. So if you're interested in this video in a quick care tutorials, then this might be a video for you, and also in a more in-depth review on the Spa Sciences device. Then please keep watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So in my previous video, this is the little device I spoke about, and this is the Spa Sciences Aero skincare system. And oh my god, this thing has been my lifesaver. I feel like it's everything, honestly, with hydration, firmness, brightness, all that good stuff. I feel like if I forget to apply moisturizer and I use this, then this is like everything. Like, you don't even need to apply moisturizer and a serum or anything like that after using this, because this hydrates your face. I don't know what it is. It's just an amazing device, and I highly recommend this if you're looking for more hydration, more of that softness in your face. If you have really dry skin, I highly recommend this. This gives you hydration immediately after just one use. I've been using it about 3, maybe a month now. Let's say a month, because I did that video like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, about a month. And I see progress in my skin. I don't have anything right now, like any moisturizer or serum applied. I just washed my face, and look how like bright and firm, and it looks like I applied a moisturizer. My skin is so soft, and honestly I think it's because of this. I feel like after I started using this, my skin honestly feels amazing. And I did break out because your girl started eating chocolate. I don't know why. I got these box of chocolates for Christmas, and I literally ate the whole box, and I started breaking out. These are why these breakouts are here, and I feel like these pimples would have lasted way longer if it wasn't for me using this and a little bit of these products. So yeah, all in all, I highly recommend this product for if you have premature aging skin as well. Highly recommend it if you feel like you are aging, you know, and you're about that age of that you have wrinkles and things like that. I think this is as well perfect for your skin. So if you haven't already, I will link everything down below so you guys can check it out, and I highly recommend this device. So moving on, let's do this quick and easy skincare routine. So what I've been liking to do is washing my face. So I used a Mario Badescu enzyme cleansing gel before I applied this. I actually took a shower, you know, brushed my teeth and did all that, and I used a little scrub that I have, and I scrubbed my face a little bit just so that I can have fresh, I can wake up. It's obviously my daytime morning routine before work, so I want to feel refreshed, I want to feel awake. So scrubbing the face and, you know, cleaning it up wakes you up, and it also opens up your pores and all that good stuff. So after that, I like to go in with a mask. So I have this mask right here, and this is by Nugg, and it's the Miracle Mud Mask, detoxifying and pore purifying. I feel like with the chocolate binge thing that I did, I feel like I need to detoxify my skin and unclog my pores, because obviously I broke out. So this is a perfect mask right here. And I love Nugg Nugg products. They are really, really good. If you see Nugg products, I highly, highly recommend them. This is also a quick, easy mask. If you are trying to do this in the morning, you can also do this at night, but if you're trying to do this in the morning, like I said, then a 10-minute mask or a 5-minute mask is always useful because maybe you're in a rush. So this mask right here, you only leave it on for 10 minutes, which is perfect. So we're gonna apply this all over the face. So it says for brighter skin, refined pores, and matte skin finish, which is always good also for when applying makeup. If you apply makeup before going to work or whatever it is, you want to unclog your pores. Now that you have this mask on, you're gonna let that dry, and obviously, like I said, this is a 10-minute mask, which is super easy. You can jump in the shower, shower up while you have this in your face. And what I like to do, since I'm in a rush always, because I'm a mom, I have 2 girls, I gotta have one prepared for school, I have to prepare myself for work, I have a lot to do, I have a cat, I have a husband. Girl, I like to just go in right away with an eye patch. So any eye patch will do. These are by Pixi. I love these eye patches, but there's all types of different eye patches, and you can find even some at Dollar Tree. I like to apply it right on top. It does the job. Even if you have a little bit of the mask, it does the same exact job. Don't be afraid to apply a mask on top of a mask. It's okay. So right under the eye area, I'm gonna apply that, and now you could jump in the shower as well. So it works out. While this is drying, you are taking care of under your eye area, which is very important as well. If you are applying makeup, or if you just need that extra hydration under your eye, if you have very dry under eye area, or if you feel like you have, wrinkles or signs of aging, then of course taking care of under your eye area is very important. So you're hitting 2 things at a time, just perfect. So we're gonna wait for 10 minutes, and it's already drying. Look at how quick that is. So after you see that it is all dry, you could just take it off. You don't have to wait the exact 10 minutes. So I'm going to wash this off and take off the mask, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I washed my face, rinsed it out, and oh my god, my freaking skin feels amazing. I feel the brightness, I feel the hydration, I feel like it has unclogged my pores. Girl, we are ready to go to the next step. So the next step is obviously a toner. If you do not apply a toner after rinsing your face or applying a mask, girl, you are missing out, because you need to, take out any extra, if you left any extra product on the face, if you have extra, dirt or any, nasty on the skin that the cleanser or mask didn't remove, then your toner is the best friend, and it will remove everything that's left on the face. If you didn't already know about the Glow Tonic by Pixi, this is the best toner ever. I feel like it does its job with making your face glowy, obviously, cleaning out all of that nasty dirt, and also exfoliating the skin a little bit more. This is how it looks. Mine has my name on it because, Pixi sends over every year Glow Tonic with the name. I haven't used last year's, but this year's I'm using because it got a little messed up. But anyways, this is your best friend right here to remove extra product, extra dirt from the skin. I'm gonna be nasty right now, but look, this is what's left on your skin after applying a mask or cleaning your face. You still have a lot of dirt, you may still have a lot of makeup, so this is why I recommend applying a toner afterwards, because you still have nasty stuff, and the toner will do the rest of the job that's needed. That's disgusting, I know, I'm sorry, but if you didn't know, now you know. I like to use a mist or a facial spray, whatever you have. They have so many mists out there. I have the Mario Badescu, I have the ones by Pixi. So I'm gonna be using this one by Joe Hay, I think that's how you say it. They sent over a whole bunch of their mists, but these are so good. And this is the vitalizing mist, and yeah, I've been loving these. I use the one that's for moisturizing, and I loved it. So yeah, I don't know, I just want to spray a good amount to hydrate the face. You see how that looks? You want your face hydrated. You want your face feeling refreshed. So go all out. But yeah, I've been loving these little mists by Joy. Like I said, I will be linking everything down below. So you want to let that dry before you go in with any of the serums or anything else that you're going to be applying. Also, the other thing that I love using with after I apply mist is the Master Healer by Teamy Blends, but you can use any facial roller. I did have the Jade roller, but this one has become my favorite. This is a white quartz roller, and I just feel like I feel more hydration. So I like to do this use this all over the face after I apply the mist, because your face feels nice and refreshed. And this is cold. You can put this in the refrigerator and it become super cold. My house is already cold, so this is always cold for me. But yeah, so I like to just go in with the roller, and this makes you feel like heaven, I swear. The coolness just makes you wake up, and you don't have to do it perfect. You could just go over really quickly, about a minute, and yeah, your skin feels refreshed, you feel awake. Bam, that's it for a minute. Obviously, you're trying to do a quick routine, so you don't want to take too long, but oh, your face feels refreshed, firm, and look, that's a good sign. If you put your finger against your skin and it starts bouncing, that's already a good sign. You have hydration, you have firmness, you have the softness that you need. Since we're doing a quick routine, I only go in with 2 products, either a moisturizer or serum. Today I'm going to be using the Vita C Tea Infused Serum, just because it's vitamin C and I want to feel awake and refreshed. So of course, vitamin C, the smell, the tanginess, all that will wake you up, and this makes your skin so soft and feel so refreshed again. That's what you want in the morning. And look at that stickiness. That's what you want. You're getting there. You're getting there, girl. Then we're going to go in with my favorite. I cannot live without this. I'm going to be ordering this again once I am all done with it. This is by Good Molecules, and it's the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And oh my god, this right here gives you that hydration. If you have extra dry skin, I highly recommend this. And I also highly recommend hyaluronic acid. It is the best thing out there, I believe, my opinion, for extra dry skin. I don't have extra dry skin, but in this winter time I do get dry, so hyaluronic acid is a must in my skincare routine. So I'm gonna apply this all over the face. And I also apply this under the eye area, and I focus it a lot on the eyes, because in the morning time you're kind of rushing, so you may not have the time to apply a under eye cream or whatever. So this helps out with it being a part of your under eye cream or whatever. Hyaluronic acid is the best, so yeah, it works for everything. I even apply it on my elbows. That's how good it is, honestly. It is so good. Last step to wrap this thing up is obviously a lip polish or a lip scrub and a lip mask or chapstick, whatever you have. It's a must, because you don't want to have some chappy lips wherever you're going. So you want to apply a mask all over your lips to remove excess skin, exfoliate your lips, all that good stuff. I use the Fresh Sugar Lip Polish, but you could use any scrub. You can even make your own scrub at home. I've done it before with using some brown sugar and any olive oil or coconut oil, whatever you have, and it works. I'm gonna go in with the Mamonde Lip Sleeping Mask, but obviously I'm not gonna use this as a sleeping mask. I'm gonna use it as a chapstick, but I do use this overnight, and it's so freaking good. Oh my god, my lips feel amazing. So that's what you want. You want the hydration. You want your lips to look nice and alive. Even if you forget to apply a lipstick or a lip gloss, whatever, your lips still feel and look nice and moisturized. And lastly, you're gonna go in quickly with the Spa Sciences machine and just go over the skin. And look at that. Ugh, the hydration, you can already feel, look, the stickiness is there. So with this is just gonna make your skin feel 10 times more soft and hydrated. OMG. I've been loving it, and I know in this video it looks like a lot, but it's not a lot, and it doesn't take that long for this little routine. I'm obviously talking a lot while I go, but this is the best, and I feel like a lot of people should be taking care of their skin, especially if you're around my age, you're almost 30. You know, that's the time when you start taking care of your skin, because the wrinkles, the appearance of premature aging, all that begins. So you just want to do this for about 2 minutes, because if you do it for 10 minutes or at night, then in the morning you don't have to do it for so long. So yeah, for 2 minutes you do this, and then you're good to go, and that's it. Your face is refreshed, it's hydrated, it's brighter, and it will last the whole day. And right when you're home, if you don't apply makeup, you know, if you want to leave your skin like this and not apply makeup, even better. You're gonna feel a difference. Just try it out and let me know if you do try out this little routine, or if you end up, you know, doing another routine with some of these steps. Then please let me know. And yeah, I feel like it's a must to take care of your skin either way. And yeah, I hope you like videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, please give it a like, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified. Also, let me know if you want to see a night routine. I do a lot different than this routine, so yeah, let me know if you want to see that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.